We'll guide you through how to download and install the Epic Fight mod in Minecraft. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, quit Minecraft. Then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. But first of all, a big shout out to our sponsor, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host, and they've got so many awesome features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support. So there's a 24/7 live chat where you can get assistance anytime you need it, ultra low latency, instant setup, and so much more as well. So if you're interested, I'll go and put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description, and at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. So if you're interested, go and check them out. But to go and continue with the guide, what we need to do is go and search for Epic Fight Mod Minecraft, just like so, and you want to go to the CurseForge site. Now you can scroll down and you can read this information here, but to go and actually download it and install it, you need to go to the right of description and click on files. Now you'll go and see these different files here. The main difference is it the version of them. So as you can see here, I want to get the most up-to-date version, and that is for 1.20.1. So come over to the right and click on the three dots and click on download file. But just before we do that, just note the mod loader is Forge. So we're going to be using Forge for 1.20.1. Then click on download file after clicking on those three dots, and then the download should begin like so. And we can then come back, and we need to come back to Google, and you want to go and search for Minecraft Forge. So Forge is essentially a mod loader. So come to the Forge site, now come over to the left, and we need to get it for 1.20.1. So click here, there's the latest and recommended. Now I like to go and get the latest version of Forge, so I'll click on installer like so, and you'll then get taken to an ad wall. Now just be aware this is an ad, so any download button is for the ad. To get Forge, you need to wait for the skip button in the top right, click there, and as you can see, it's now gone and downloaded. Open your file explorer and come to your downloads, and you'll then find the mod and Java. And then what we want to do is just highlight them and drag them onto our desktop. It just makes things easier. And then what you want to do is go and run Forge. So go and double click on it like so, and you should then go and get the Forge installer pop up. If you don't, something else opens up or for some reason it isn't working, then what you need to do is go and open up Chrome. Then what you need to do is go and get Java. So you can go and search for Java or just go straight to java.com, click on download Java and go and install it. Then once you've done that, you can go and close off of it, and you want to come back to Forge like so, and you want to go and right click on it, click on open with, and then go and click on choose another app. And you want to make sure you select Java and select always like so, and it should then open. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix, which reassociates jar and Java files. We've got a full guide on that though. Anyways, once the installer is open, select install client and press OK, and it will then go and install. Once it's successfully installed, then you need to go and open up the Minecraft launcher in order to go and add the mods to Minecraft. In the launcher, make sure you select Java on the left and go to the top and click on installations, and then go and locate Forge. Hover over it and go over to the right and go and click on the folder icon, and your file explorer will go and open up. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and go into the mods folder. And what you need to do is go and find the mod we just got, aka Epic Fight Mod, and you can then drag it into the folder like so. And then what you want to do is come to the top, click on play, and come to the left of play, and make sure you go and select Forge, and then select play again. And now it should go and launch. Here we are, it's just loaded. And when I look at my mods, as you can see, we now have the Epic Fight mod, and we can go and get into the world and go and start playing. And so now here we are in a game, and you're going to go and notice a few different things. The animations are slightly different, and when you go and start hitting something, you're going to go and see how much health that creature or mob has. As you can see, that cow is pretty low. But yeah, it's super cool. You are still going to sort of keep those basics of Minecraft, the looks and stuff, but it's still a really cool mod, and yeah, it definitely improves the game. I hope you guys found this useful.